Hello students, once again welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry classes. Students, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel. Hope you are doing very good. And this topic is from our organometallic chemistry, and this topic is sigma bond metathesis. So now let us start our today's topic. So what is the sigma bond metathesis? So in organometallic chemistry, sigma bond metathesis is a chemical reaction in which ligand metal sigma bond will undergo metathesis, exchange of species with sigma bond and some reagent. So what is a sigma bond metathesis? Means here what will happens in our metal ligand, the sigma bond will undergo change of the species. Means जो metal ligand bond है वहाँ पे आपका sigma bond में जो भी species है metal ligands की, they will exchange with another ligand with a sigma bond and some reagent. So a sigma bond metathesis reaction is a concerted process that occurs when the oxidative addition cannot take place. So what is the condition for the sigma bond metathesis? It will take place when our oxidative addition is not possible, and mostly this our sigma bond metathesis occurs in the transition metals complexes which are having the D0 configuration, like scandium in the 3 plus oxidation state, zirconium in the plus 4 oxidation state, niobium and tantalum in also plus 4 oxidation state. So let us see what is the mechanism of our this sigma bond metathesis. So students, this sigma bond metathesis is also termed as the it will have a kite shaped transition state. So here is one example. This is one our metal, this is our cyclopentadienyl, our ligands, and this is our R. Okay, so this is R1, and this which is the new species R2H. So we have just dominated means इनको R1 और R2 से represent किया है. Okay, so first step is what? Association of this coming ligand. So what will form? This R2H will come and get attached with the metals, so it will form like this state. So now what they are saying, that this sigma bond metathesis undergoes kite shaped transition state. It is a concerted process, means the bond formation and the breaking will take place simultaneously. Then what will happen? This R1 and R2 and H, they will convert into a cyclic kite shaped transition state, four centered kite transition state. And after the formation of our this transition state, what will happen? It will get converted to this bond formation is taken place. R2 आपका form हो चुका है. So what we have to do? We have to eliminate this species from here. So R1H will form a bond like this, and it will dissociate to give you the desired product. So what is the desired product? Here you have our two CP ligands, cyclopentadienyl ligands, with our R2, and this is our R1H is eliminated. So what did you understand from this mechanism? That it is a concerted process and where the bond making and the breaking has taken place simultaneously. वो जो पहला वाला आपका था metal ligand bond with M1 MR1 जो combination था, मेटाथेसिस हुआ, सिग्मा बॉन्ड ब्रेकन हुआ, और एक नया सिग्मा बॉन्ड अदर जो हमारा बाहर से आया था वो आके हमारा अटैच हो गया R2. ओके, और ये जो हमारा R1 था वो इस H के साथ में एलिमिनेट हो गया, राइट. सो और कोई भी हाइड्रोकार्बन का फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज योर व्हाट वी कैन say that simple mechanism of our sigma bond metathesis. Now another example we can take of our zirconium complex. So here you can say our zirconium complex, here you can say the zirconium is attached with the methyl and hydrogen. So similarly a new hydrogen species is coming. So what will happen? This new when hydrogen species will come, they will get attached. In the books they have not shown all these three valencies, but they will be there. So what happens? They will undergo the formation of a cyclic four membered kite transition state, and similarly like that one of the methyl group which is already attached here, it will get eliminated, and the formation of a new hydrogen will takes place in this complex. So what you have to write here? The zirconium is a complex, that is ZrH MECP whole twice 16 electron species, which cannot react with the hydrogen to give a trihydride, as all its electrons are involved in the bonding to the existing ligands. So as a four member transition state is proposed, and concentrated bond making and bond breaking steps results in the elimination of our methane. So this is you can write one example of our sigma bond metathesis. Now next one we can say that one more example of our lutetium complex. So here they have taken our cyclopentadienyl cation जो आपका सॉरी लिगैंड होता है, वहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या लिया, C5Me5 होल ट्वाइस lutetium methyl, and what is happening here, they are just, the new incoming reagent is RH, कोई hydrocarbon है. So what will happen here, this of the methyl will get attached with the hydrogen and R will be means coming to the place of the methyl group. So this complex is formed here, C5Me5 whole twice lutetium and R in place of our CH3, this new R, it can be your ethyl group or propyl group, whatever. So here the exchange of the lutetium third methyl complexes with a hydrocarbon, this reaction was first given by the Patricia Watson. So these are the two examples which you can give if the it is coming sigma bond metathesis in exams. Hope you understand the mechanism. Means sigma bond metathesis means one of the sigma bond of the metal ligand will break down and another sigma bond will form with the coming hydrocarbon or any another species. Thanks for watching.